Shakti, when is the date of your interview?
Sir, it's on 2nd September, sir.
Did you have lunch today?
Yes, sir. I had.
All right. What did you have for lunch?
Sir, I had rava dosa, sir.
Rava dosa. Which South Indian meal has been said to be the best breakfast?
Sir, it's usually idli, sir, which is said to be very healthy, sir.
So, what is rava in rava dosa?
Sir, I'm not very sure about it, sir.
Shakti, you are from Panipat.
Sir,
Why was Panipat the seat of so many battles?
sir, there are many reasons why so many battles were fought in Panipat, sir. Sir, one of the reasons was its strategic location, sir. Sir, most of the attacks in India took place from northwestern areas like Afghanistan and Iran, and Delhi being the center of power. So, Panipat was strategically located at a gateway to Delhi. So, this was one of the reasons, sir. Sir, another reason was because of the topography of Panipat, which is a plain area, which is suitable for the battles. And sir, another reason which is responsible for this is, sir, the low rain, and wars used to be long, sir. So low precipitation supported that. Sir, fourth was, sir, availability of water because of the Yamuna flowing nearby, sir. So these were some of the reasons, sir, why so many battles were fought there, sir.
Can you tell me what was the significance of Panipat during Mahabharata?
Sir, during Mahabharata, Panipat was one of the five villages, paths which were demanded by the Pandavas from Duryodhan, sir.
Can you name the other 4 places?
Sir, I can try, sir. Sir, one was Sonipat. Sir, another was Panipat. These two, sir. Then, sir, Indraprasth. Panipat was known as Panprasth, sir. Then, sir, Bagpat was there, sir. And though 2 more were there, sir, I am not able to recall, sir.
Shakti, what does your name mean?
Sir, my name means energy or power, sir.
What is the difference between energy and power?
Sir, energy is usually associated with in terms of physical strength or force, whereas power is a sociological or political concept, sir. So it can mean their ability to get things done with or against the wishes of someone else, so, which is defined in political science. So there can be different types of power, sir. So power is a much more wider term, sir, whereas energy is limited to a particular domain, sir.
So which principle do you live your life based on? Energy or power?
Sir, I am seeking both the things, sir. Energy to complete my everyday works and live my life healthily. Sir, power to do good to myself, good to society in the best way possible, sir.
What does life mean to you, Shakti?
Sir, life to me, sir, is making the best use of the available opportunity and living the place in a better way than we have inherited it, for ourselves, for our people surrounding us, and for the whole world, sir. So this is what I believe in, sir.
Shakti, what is the reason that despite such good education, female feticide and infanticide cases are higher in Haryana and good prosperity?
Sir, there are many reasons, sir, for this. One of the reasons is, sir, historical. Sir, since the time of Rig Veda, there is preference for male child, and as battles were fought and agriculture was the mainstay in this area, so physical strength was regarded as a virtue for both wars and agriculture. So it is invariably the male child which was preferred. Sir, second reason is because of the dowry system, sir. The girl child is seen
But
as
you
a
have
burden.
more dowry in Bihar, you have more dowry in eastern Uttar Pradesh. There, without the dowry, you cannot get married. There, they are not having female feticide and infanticide. You are having female feticide and infanticide. Why?
Sir, the difference is, sir, because of prosperity and higher incomes, there is accessibility of technology in Haryana, sir, which may not be the case in those areas. So with increase in technology and access to these higher incomes, we are seeing these cases of female infanticide and feticide, sir.
Do you think India has been able to fully utilize its soft power?
Sir, if we analyze historically, sir, we have been able to use our soft power, but still there is more scope, sir. For example, sir, we gave the idea of NAM, sir, along with other countries, and in that era, sir, that served as India's unique foreign policy initiative, which has served our interest well. But there is certainly scope for more, sir, because we are having so many cultures, so many different religions coexisting, and there is so much of diversity, but we are not able to promote it or project it in the outside world. Still, our tourism is not at par with countries like France or Britain or other countries, and I think, sir, there is scope for more, sir.
Kabul has fallen to Taliban. What should be our stand right now?
With respect to Afghanistan, sir, we have primarily three concerns, sir. Sir, one is strategic, that there is threat of terrorism from emanating from Afghanistan. Sir, second is our connectivity to Central Asia, which may get jeopardized, and sir, third is the human rights violations in Afghanistan. So we have to engage with Taliban, sir, as they have been calling for talks with India. So staying away from talks will serve us no good, sir. Right now we have to be on the table, and
Some people are saying that India is right now having presidency of UNSC, non-permanent membership. Some people are saying that we should lobby and send UN peacekeeping forces. Do you agree with this suggestion?
sir, I don't agree with this suggestion, sir, because one point is, sir, that even if we want to send peacekeeping forces, sir, there is no one going to support the initiative because US has just withdrawn from Afghanistan. They are not going to come back. China and Russia, they have been supporting Taliban, sir, recently. So there will be no takers for our initiative. This is one, sir. Sir, secondly, it is also not wise to go to Afghanistan right now, because Afghanistan has a history of graveyard of empires, sir. So after 20 years, the superpower, which is
Can you
US,
tell me what can be the immediate ramification or immediate outcome of India's effort at lobbying for a UN peacekeeping force?
Sir, pardon me, sir, I could not gather.
Can you tell me what could be what has India to lose if it is seen to be lobbying for UN peacekeeping forces?
Sir, we have to be very careful, sir, right now in dealing with Taliban, because Taliban has not called us India as an enemy, or has not done something to jeopardize our relations. Rather, they have called for that they are open to talks with India. So if we are seen to be or take some steps which are anti-Taliban, and they are the de facto rulers now, so that will push them further into the arms of Pakistan and can affect our long-term interests, sir, in the region.
What is the size of a badminton court, singles and doubles?
Sir, sorry, sir, I have not been able to gather it recently, so I am not able to recall, sir.
Do you play badminton? Have you not been involved in making a court in your house or anywhere where you play?
Sir, I have not made the court, but
You've enjoyed the court somebody else has made.
yes, sir, you can say that, sir.
Who was your best friend in college, Shakti?
Sir, my best friend was and is Sir Sandeep Marela Chaudhary. Sir, he was my classmate, and he is from Andhra Pradesh, sir.
And if we were to ask him to come and say some 3 good qualities of yours, what do you think would they be?
If he has to come, sir, and tell the qualities, sir, he will say that, he usually say that, sir, many times, that he says that, sir, I am the best learner he has ever seen. That I learn so quickly. That is one thing he says, sir. Sir, second, he usually tell me, or others also, that I have very good leadership qualities. Sir, third, he would say that I am dependable. So in any circumstances, he can depend on me. These 3 things he will say, sir.
And if you were to tell me 2 bad qualities of your friend, what would they be?
Sir, one quality is that many times he is not so proactive, and he end up losing some personal initiatives or gains, sir. For example, sir, once he went to Vipassana and he had applied for MA in Delhi University. So he did not pay attention, and by the time he came back, the exam was over. So he could not take admission in MA. So like that, he is a bit, I can say, sir, a bit careless in these
Shakti,
terms,
what
sir.
does success mean to you?
Sir, success to me is being able to improve ourselves every time and able to achieve certain objectives. For example, sir, if someone wants to me, sir, particularly, I want to work in public life, sir, where I have public interaction.
But Shakti, everybody says I want public interaction. But everybody is in essence, everybody is just looking for a government job. Don't you agree to this?
Yes, sir, government job is certainly a criteria, sir, and it has its benefits, job security, and so I'm not saying that, sir, I don't want government job or I'm just coming for this public service. But my point is, sir, even in public service also, sir, if I have to make a choice, or if you're asking me what success means to me, so in that sense, sir, I believe that I want a service, or I want to work in an environment where I get an opportunity to interact with people and solve their problems with my team and others as much as possible, sir. So that will give me satisfaction.
So you managed to get into St. Stephen's College of Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me 3 values that you have learned from your college life.
Sir, one was, sir, gender. My perspective towards gender changed drastically, sir, when I came to St. Stephen's. Sir, being into a small village, my perspective towards the capability of women and how they function, that was very narrow, sir. So that got enlarged, sir. And that has been the case, sir, over the years. That was one, sir. Sir, second was my confidence, sir, in terms of communication skills and interaction with different strands of people. I developed that, sir. I was very underconfident when I came to college, sir. And over the years, sir, I was able to interact with many people, and that changed, sir. Sir, third was I became more understanding and more appreciative of difference, sir, when I came to Stephens, because there were students from all the parts of country, and their cultures, their habits, their preferences, they were very different and wide than what I used to think. So my vision got enlarged, sir.
Shakti, why civil services?
Sir, again the same thing, sir. I want a service, or I want to work in an environment where I have the requisite platform to function, and at the same time it is satisfying for me that I'm able to do something for the society. And why not, sir? There are other platforms also where these things can be met. So one of them can be, sir, politics, or can be an NGO. But I come from a very humble background, sir. And for me, sir, job security is equally important. So I want a career which is has a career growth. At the same time, I am able to function as per my fullest potential, sir.
Shakti, your interview is over.
Thank you, sir.